Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back, welcome back. We are back again in a new video reaction. Many of you have seen this video of Tinubu visiting Anambra State, and a lot happened there. Few things that happened that we're going to talk about is what you are seeing on your screen, which is the way the Igbo traditionalists or Igbo culture have been bastardized. A lot of people comment on this. Some people overlooked it. Some people actually say that it's well deserved. But guess what? Now we they do ourselves. Now this is not about where Tinubu come from. It's not about that he's a Yoruba person. It's not about anything. But the same man that is here, like Tinubu, receiving a Igbo title. I don't know what Igbo title means to them. I don't know what Igbo tradition represent anymore. Now, giving him a title is not an issue, but the method and the way they did that and when they did it matters a lot. I don't have any issue, please. If you're a Yoruba person, I'm not saying they should not give Yoruba people should not take title. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that the person himself, being Tinubu, what is Tinubu mean to Igbo people, and what has it done for Igbo people? These are the things that people like me want to know. And we've seen what is going on based on what some people actually said about Tinubu's regime in terms of giving Igbo people the chance and everything. Imagine putting M0cked unjustly in prison or in detention, then coming down to Eastern part to receive Igbo, chieftaincy title and all that. Though it doesn't mean anything to them. I'm not here to tell you that Tinubu actually need it, but maybe he's not even request for it. But this is a way of making him believe that that the Anambra State they love him so much. Remember, Anambra is a head of Igbo people. Like according to the history, Anambra is where like their first son of Igbo tribe. So when the first tribe begin to behave like this, what do you not expect that the younger one should do? That is why sometimes the attitude or actions of some of these politicians in Anambra State somehow justifying what Gobozoma is doing in Imo State. We have seen videos of how the people in how what is one of the people British this all this Queen family and what have you. When each time they visit Nigeria, what do they do? They will hang somewhere in Yoruba land or in the north, then pushing Igbo traditionals like a king in Igbo land to enter night bus to just come and pay homage. The insult is second to none. So Tinubu also will be surprised that they're giving him this nonsense title. To him, it's a nonsense. Why? Because the way our people are dishing it out shows that he has no honor, no respect whatsoever. Now you can see governor of Imo State and this one also. Look at him here. I think he's a deputy speaker or speaker. I don't know what he is. And this is it's not this one look like Petamba. I have not seen Petamba here of Enugu State. I did not see uh, the one of Ebonyi State, of course. Maybe they have different opinion. I don't know, but they're all the same, trying to become APC by fire by force. Anambra State is a state in Igbo, the only state in Igbo land that have their own political party, which represent Igbo race, Apoga. Okay, then the Apoga, not as if Apoga it means something, give any good vibe about Igbo people or anything. No, but what I'm talking about Apoga is that since you have this kind of party bringing APC and decide to give title like this, to me is an insult. I don't know what you think about it. You that is watching, maybe you can also tell me with your own. How do you feel when you watch the video for the first time? what comes into your mind? Okay, let us read some of the posts. Okay, but before then, let's go to to another video, which is what you are seeing here. This one also happened in Anambra State, where Anambrians that have a P2B and have Abaga, they are holding APC flag. Holding APC flag. Alomere. And it was rumored that they paid them 30,000. Okay, 30,000 naira each to carry the flag. Imagine that. Waving APC. These are people who claim OB. All of them were OB. OB, Kelelenke OB. And they were insulting Biafrans, insulting everybody. All of these people we are seeing here, they were all obedient. Obedient turning to APC is a slap. And you can argue with your ancestors if you choose to argue. P2B will be like, is this my state? Is this my state? I'm yet to see um, Labour Party people, okay, carrying flag like this because they said that what M0cked is from Lagos State, which I doubt. I don't know his state, but let's assume that Lagos is his state, or anywhere you think that it may be his state. Can Labour Party or Apaga go there and do the same thing? I doubt it. I doubt also. Now, as he was visiting Anambra State, um, Igbo people are crying in Lagos State. Real estate developers, the house owners, people that build, houses in Lagos, they are crying. Why are they crying? Because the Lagos government, APC government, keep on demolishing their properties. I'm not here to tell you to wage war against anybody, but I just have to report this so that you that is watching may have an idea of what is going on. So let us actually hear the voice from this video so that it may make more sense for you. Just hear this. In case if you don't understand what I'm saying, that na no two votes ka ha were, na ha ga-eyi APC. Ọ kwadoro Labour Party one Anambra obedient. Now listen, you cried that your vote was not count. Some of you that voted, and now you are telling us that you Ikegokwa ndị Igbo Ikego. Now let us hear the voice. When they gave Tinubu the title. Okay, hear this.
The way we do it, I'm going to count 3 times. I'm going to put it around your neck. First time, second time, and the third time, I will give it. And I'm going to count in Igbo. Ofu, Igbo. Shall I go ahead?
That is in Anambra State. Okay, that is in Anambra State. So this man called Mahid Shehu made a statement that I would like to share with you before we end the broadcast. But before then, please let me use the opportunity to encourage you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And it's very, very important that you do so. If you have watched this video this far, you need to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel if you are new. So he said, Igbos and their brand of hypocrisy, Negente, coming from a northerner. Okay, Igbo, that's Ndibo, and their brand of hypocrisy. How will Obi and Obedient feel with this with this uh, cultural assault? Ndị Igbo, you are your own enemies. Inegenti. Tomorrow you will start to abuse those who don't support Obi when your elders have sold all your chances out. Ndị Igbo, Ndị Igbo, Ndị Igbo, no pity. Now he attached these pictures and he put these ones here. Okay, let me see if the people comment what people says about it. Let me just open it as if I don't as if I care. Honestly, I don't. I am not gonna lie, I don't care about what he says because everything you have here, like what he said, yes, in as much as you don't believe what the man said, look at the man here. This is his profile. Okay, the man that made this comment is a non-commercial wrestling whistleblower budget. Okay, this is just what his own way of telling you that yeah, he's an activist or something like that. Okay, I don't know why the message refused to open, but we are going to try our best to see if you can read the comment though, because it will be very nice to hear what people says about this. I'm trying my best to get it open. Just bear with me. But if you cannot open it now, then you have to forget about it because actually it doesn't really count much. I just wanted to know what people says about it because I did not do that before now. I did not do that. Let me try again one more time. Then if you refuse, then we call it a day. Now I think okay. I think we have some comment. I believe. Now somebody said you northerners are a bunch of fools and hypocrites. You and your elders sold away your destiny long ago. You must not support Obi and your it and you should never. I'm trying to avoid the word. Should never gaslight anyone by using Obi name. Support Tinubu if that is what you want. Nobody cares. Okay, and Olade, that's a Westerner, said if you cannot differentiate um, optics from reality, it is okay. Reality in politics at this old age and with your education, I wonder when you will. And I am now said Igbo are Republican in nature. No Obi or Eze dictates for the whole nation, unlike your oligarchy and feudal system where you are emir, okay, a portion who get what and the political part you follow sheepishly. Anyway, there's a point on that, but I understand what the man said, what he's saying, because the same you obedient, the same you are the same you people will come out and begin to shout that, oh, Igbos have been marginalized, which is true. But for you to focus on your own, you want to tell me this is not about being a Republican, please. It's just stupidity. And when this is not to promote OP, because the same nonsense is what what they're doing in our freedom. The same nonsense. You are a Republican, and that because you are a Republican, you should be a fool. I don't understand. Anyway, my people, tell me what they think about it because there's a lot of comment here. You are old. That none of them want to accept what this nothing has said. Nobody want to accept it. Yes, you have a reason to criticize him. I understand, but can we be honest that what he said is exactly what we are going through each time our land, our protection, our freedom is being mentioned? You see somebody jumping from pillar to pole, trying to act, that he knows everything, whereas you know nothing. I do not, he said, this one said, I do not and will not never agree with every action of every Igbo man, especially when it has to do with politics. However, making blanket insult, insulting statement like this is a show test to what I believe about your person. Yeah, guys, yeah, it is all ceremonial. Tinubu should already know. Have you forgotten the people that were with Tinubu in Anambra during the last election and the number of voters he secured? That should tell you everything. You are still dreaming. You don't understand what money can do. That they paid them 30,000 is true. That is gospel truth. Okay, that is gospel truth. They pay them 10,000 to protest, or not to protest, to rally around and support and rejoice and celebrate that Tinubu is in town. Is shocking, to be honest. Anyway, my concern is not about the politics. My major concern is Igbo tradition. You see that cap they giving to Tinubu, that is what I feel that is wrong. Whether you want to support Tinubu, you want to support Obedient to that's not my, I'm not interested at all. Whatever you want, even if you like, support go and bring back Shehu Shagari, or maybe bring back Amado Bello. Vote him. That's your business. I don't care. Personally, I don't care. So my concern is seeing Igbo elders, traditionalists, Igbo leaders, traditional rulers, Igwe and all that, acting as if our tradition is rubbish. In Nigeria today, our Igbo tradition or traditional rulers or Igbo title is very, very, very weak and have been, it's assault on Igbo people. My people, tell me what you think about it, and I would like to hear from you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.